Good morning, students. Hope you all have understood the explanation of conjunctions. So today we are going to fill the book exercise. Everyone, please take out your grammar books and come to page number 72. Working zone. Join the following pairs of sentences together by means of a suitable conjunctions. जो conjunctions आपको suitable लगे उसके according आपको sentence join करने हैं वो conjunction put करके. First one, he sat down, he was tired. So इसमें क्या conjunction suit हो रहा है? Because. He sat down because he was tired. वो बैठा क्योंकि वो tired था. Reason मिल रहा है ना हमें, तभी हमने क्या लगाया? Because. Second, I shall go, you will allow me. इसमें हम conjunction क्या लगा रहे हैं? I shall go if you allow me. Okay? Third one, he is rich, he is not happy. He is rich but he is not happy. वो rich है लेकिन वो खुश नहीं है. Rama failed. He was idle. Rama failed because he was idle. Because लगाया हमने यहाँ पे conjunction. Fifth one, he is ill. I know it. He is ill and I know it. I stumbled. I was going downstairs. I stumbled while I was going downstairs. Mother is at home. Father is at home. हमने ये टाइप पढ़ा था इसका यूज़ कि सेम ही मतलब सेम थिंग ही हो रही है और पर्सन जो यूज़ हो रहा है तो हम उनके बीच में लगाएंगे कंजंक्शन. मदर एंड फादर इज एट होम. 8th one, he forgave him. He was sorry. He forgave him because he was sorry. I lost the prize. I tried my best. I lost the prize even I tried my best. 10th, you are tall but my brother is taller. You are tall but my brother is taller. हमने कौन सा conjunction use किया है यहाँ पे? But. Coming to next page. B. Pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences and write in the blanks. यहाँ पे आपको मैंने pairs वाले conjunctions पढ़ाए थे ना, वो pairs वाले conjunctions मिलेंगे इन sentence में. First one, either you are mistaken or I am. इसमें कौन कौन से conjunctions हैं? Either और का pair पढ़ा था ना. Second one, how can you write if you have neither a pen nor a pencil? Neither nor है ये. Third one, how can we be healthy both in mind and body? And both और and है. इसमें both पहले लिखना है and बाद में लिखना है. इंटरचेंज हो गई है मुझसे places. Fourth one, I don't know whether he is there or not. Whether और हमारे क्या है conjunctions. Fifth one, he visited not only Agra but also Delhi. इसमें भी not only but also हमारे conjunctions हैं. Neither Rama nor Hari broke the window. Neither nor है इसमें conjunction. Seventh one, have you either a pen or a pencil? Either और है conjunction इसमें. Eighth one, the man is neither wealthy nor wise. Neither nor conjunctions are there. I shall go whether you come or not. Whether or conjunction है हमारा. Either you or I must go. Either or conjunction. Okay students, आप लोगों को ये पेयर समझ में आ गए? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. चलिए next exercise करते हैं. Fill in the blanks with one of the conjunctions given in the bracket. आप लोगों को कुछ conjunctions यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में दिए हैं सेंटेंस के बाद. आपको suitable जो भी लगे सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग वो यहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स में फिल करने हैं. First one, I would have accepted the role if they had offered it to me. If हमारा correct है इसमें conjunction. Second, she was so tired that she at once fell asleep. Third one, the function began as soon as the chief guest arrived. Fourth one, no sooner had the flight takes off than the engine developed a snag. Fifth one, I shall go dash you if you accompany me. Sixth one, we had reached the port before the storm came. Seventh one, the train was derailed but no one was hurt. Eighth one, keep walking until you reach the station. Okay students. Next exercise D. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions given in the box below. You may use the same conjunctions more than once. आपको कुछ क्लू बॉक्स में यहाँ पे कंजंक्शंस दिए हैं, आपको सेंटेंसेस के अकॉर्डिंग चूज करने हैं और आप किस कंजंक्शन को एक से ज़्यादा बार भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन, डैश इट वॉज स्नोइंग, आई डिड नॉट गो आउट ऑफ माई हाउस सिंस. सेकेंड, Raki wrote letters but she didn't post them. Third, Pritam is polite but by nature, therefore he is loved by all. Fourth one, unless you win the race, you will not get a medal. Fifth one, we can watch television or we can go to the park. Sixth one, although mummy was not well, she helped me prepare for exams. Seventh one, don't enter the museum if the in charge comes. Eighth one, Prerna may not be clever, but she is hardworking. Okay students, here we complete our chapter and exercise also. If you have any doubts in this chapter, you can ask me. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.